In this tutorial you are going to learn how to create a dual color heading in Elementor using Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor Plugin. First, you will need to install the Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor Plugin. Link is given below. Once you have installed and activated this plugin, edit the page on which you want to place the dual color heading. Now, edit the page with Elementor. Scroll down till you see the Ultimate Add-ons group. Drag and drop the dual color heading widget on the page. Set the before text and the highlighted text of the heading. Go to Style tab, and then, under the Heading Style section, set the text color for the heading. Entire heading color will change. Now, open the Highlight panel, and set the color for the second part of the heading. And, that's it. You have now created dual color heading in Elementor. Don't forget to save your changes. Okay. Now that you know how to create a dual color heading in Elementor, do you want to know about the cheapest tools to build and run a website? I have created Website Builder's Toolbox that will give you this list of cheap tools. Click the link in the description below to get the Website Builder's Toolbox. And, if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more tutorials like this.